Today's topic is third vital essence, water. Have you ever stopped to wonder how our world, this beautiful blue planet, came to be? It's a question that has captivated thinkers, scientists, and dreamers for centuries, and at the heart of this grand cosmic story lies a simple, yet profound element: water. Without it, life as we know it would be impossible. It's not just a resource, it's a precious jewel, the very sustainer of all existence. Let's rewind to the beginning, billions of years ago. Imagine a young, volatile universe. In this cosmic crucible, the first water molecules were forged. These tiny molecules were the seeds of life. They began to cluster, to form, and to integrate themselves into the very fabric of matter, spreading the potential for vitality across the cosmos. It's an incredible thought, isn't it? That every living thing, every plant, every animal, and even you, are connected by this ancient, life-giving substance. It's easy to think of Earth as unique, but our solar system tells a more complex story. Scientists now believe that many, if not all, of the planets in our cosmic neighborhood once held water. Think of Mars with its dry riverbeds, or the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. It's possible that life once flourished in these places, all thanks to the presence of water. But today, as far as we can see, only Earth remains a vibrant, thriving world, teeming with visible life. Our planet is a rare oasis in the vastness of space, and it's all because of our abundant oceans, rivers, and lakes. Water is the ultimate nurturer. It flows through the veins of the earth, nourishing every living being, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. It breathes life into the soil, allowing forests to grow tall and fields to yield their bounty. The journey of water is a perpetual cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It evaporates from the surface, a silent ascension into the sky. It rises higher and higher, until it condenses into clouds, painting the atmosphere with shades of white and gray. And then the magic happens. The clouds, heavy with their precious cargo, release it back to the earth. Snow, sleet, or hail. It all returns, replenishing the land. This precipitation gathers in streams, which merge into mighty rivers, carving canyons and shaping landscapes over millennia. These rivers flow into vast lakes and expansive oceans, creating habitats for an astonishing diversity of creatures. This entire process, the water cycle, isn't just a mechanical system. It is, in its essence, the planet breathing. Water is a living entity, constantly moving, changing, and creating. When we look at a flowing river, we're not just seeing H2O. We're witnessing the lifeblood of our world. We're seeing a force that connects the mountains to the sea, the sky to the ground, and the past to the future. It is the artist that sculpted the Grand Canyon and the quiet presence in a dewdrop on a leaf. Every time you drink a glass of water, you are partaking in this ancient, life-sustaining cycle. You are connecting with the very origins of life on this planet. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring realization. So the next time you feel the rain on your skin, or watch the waves crash upon the shore, take a moment to appreciate the profound power and beauty of water. It is the architect of our world, the carrier of life, and the most vital essence we know. It connects us all. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I do, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of our world. See you next time.